bam bum, bam bum, bam bum. Ba-di-da-dum, bum, ba-bum. Ba-di-da-dum, dum, da-bum. Di-di-da-dum, bum, ba-bum.
When I started working as a cinematographer, the cameras were mechanical. You have to do all the thinking. My name is Emanuel Lubezki. I'm a cinematographer.
And stand up.
I think that the iPhone Pro will allow filmmakers all around the world to make films that otherwise are impossible because you don't have the means, or because the cameras are too heavy or too complicated.
That was beautiful.
When I started shooting movies, you have to rent a very expensive camera, buy film stock, pay for developing, special equipment for editing. Now you can really go out with one of these devices and make a movie. These new cameras are extraordinary in the sense that they are almost starting to think. One of the things that is really exciting about the iPhone Pro is that you have Dolby Vision HDR in real time. So you're able to see an image that is already color corrected. Shooting with the iPhone Pro allows me to be quite free and spontaneous, a little bit like a jazz musician, finding the best images and just think about composition and framing and motion. The things that make a shot great. When you're in a place like this beautiful desert, you have to move really, really fast because things are changing constantly. The shadows getting long, the mountains changing colors, the shadow of the earth in the horizon. The camera becomes an extension of your eye, of your body when you're framing, when you're composing. You don't want to be thinking about technique when you are trying to capture life.
It was beautiful.
Something that I like about this camera is that you can be right there with the actor to be able to observe and to be in the moment, to keep rolling and rolling until one of these happy accidents happens right in front of you.
Oh. Man, you're so good, camera.
Those are the beautiful moments that feel non-rehearsed, that feel magical or mysterious. I love the wide lenses that allow the images to be immersive, to have focus in depth, to make the audience feel that you're right there. We use a drone because we wanted to see the character within the context of the desert, to be able to express how enormous is this place and how tiny we are when we're in the desert. I think the next great cinematographer or the next great film director is already making movies with one of these devices. Kids are able to learn and to do all the training almost by themselves, and that's incredible. You're starting to see amazing things coming up, and I think it's going to define a lot of how movies are going to be made in the future.